see. It's so windy. Yo, what's good, Flickities? It's your boy Flack coming live straight at you from his cell phone. I want to welcome you guys back to the channel. We're giving Hurricane Irma live coverage. We're head to toe in gear to make sure we don't get blown away. The winds, incredible. Tornadoes right now. Behind the house, the lake. Man, it's stirring up back there.
Oh my god, the lake is overflowed.
The lake is overflowed. If that's a thing, it's going on. The airline arenas shut down. Roof lost. Guys, when I say this is no joke, this is incredible. The pooch. He's crazy. He's pulling. But we're not going anywhere. The looters, come see us. Miami is flooded. Who knows when it'll get back? He didn't pee. I have to keep going. I have to weather the storm. Guys, if I wasn't to make it out, I don't know what I'd do. The fact that Irma started in the south and was supposed to head east, and then it headed west, and now we're hit with the east. This is incredible. This is something none of us have ever experienced before. I'm from New York. I don't know what wind is. I just know I'm getting yelled at. I've gone too far. It's too late to turn back now. Stream, chat, if you could see this, if I'm able to upload this, just know we made it out alive and the phone was good. P! Oh, who knows if we'll make it back in time. Guys, I have so much more to cover. I'll be back in another post, probably out inside with some live coverage again. As you can see, everyone's boarded up. And again, as you can see, I can't. He's running. Go pee. Do something. We're getting blown away. The hurricane. Goodbye. All right, guys, we're back. And we're going out. We got the GoPro footage.
I'm gonna get soaked in the sandals.
Guys, we're heading out back here. If you guys can't see, this is crazy. Oh my god, there's already crap everywhere.
Wait, I gotta be sure.
Yeah, close it. We're weathering through the storm, guys. Holy moly. Guys, I can't turn the camera around right now. The roof is flooded. The pool is flooded. Everybody, this is Hurricane Irma reporting. Oh my god. Oh my god. So explicit language, everybody.